In Search for the Truth of Life, by Venerable Rung Ruang Papas Saro, Dr. Rung Ruang Lim Chupatipa. The origin of Buddhism began about 2,600 years ago, when Siddhartha Gautama was born in the northern part of the Indian subcontinent. He was a prince of a kingdom located close to the Himalayas in Nepal. At the age of 29, he realized the transitions of life through seeing people being old, sick, and dead. This vision initiated him deciding to start his journey in searching for the real meaning of life. After 6 years of searching for the meaning of life, he finally discovered the path and way to enlightenment, which can be described as the discovery of the truths of life within nature. Thereafter, he began disseminating his teachings and sharing his knowledge, the so-called Dharma, which was rooted in the word the nature, with people, and this was the beginning of Buddhism in the world. The original Buddha teachings are based on facts, as the Buddha explained in his teachings as follows.
These 3 things monks are conducted in secret, not openly. What 3? Affairs with women, the mantras, magics and miracles, and wrong view. But these 3 things monks shine openly, not in secret. What 3? The moon, the sun, the Dharma, the nature, and discipline proclaimed by the Buddha's teachings.
The moon and the sun are something that everyone can see in nature, so they are real. The Dharma is the words about the truth of nature, and in conclusion, the teachings proclaimed by the Buddha are about the truths in nature, while the mantras, magic and miracles is a wrong view in Buddhism. On the day of the Buddha's enlightenment, he made use of mindfulness to conduct insight observation to study the true nature of mind and to gain wisdom. This observation technique on the mind was later developed to be the Buddhist practice, and it was considered as introspection by William James. The original Buddha teachings are based on the facts from insight observations. Later, many magical stories and decorative descriptions were added into Buddhism. Such apathetic subjects are not attributes of Buddhism. Hence, we will limit the scope of the Buddhist study on the original sutta to illustrate the Buddhist science of Buddhism. Niels Bohr, the father of quantum physics, admiringly apprised the observation technique in Buddhism as a similar basis for scientific study on the mind as follows.
For a parallel to the lesson of atomic theory, we must turn to those kinds of epistemological problems with which already thinkers like the Buddha and Lao Tzu have been confronted when trying to harmonize our position as spectators and actors in the great Dharma of existence.